Hey, how you doing? Happy Wednesday. How are you? I hope you're well and I hope you are good. We're gonna do some marbling. I've got all my bits out and ready. We're gonna have so much fun today. We're gonna be choosing all the colors. I was gonna show you what colors we've got to choose from. We're going to be doing it onto paper, although I have done a stream before when we did them onto these little polystyrene balls. So you can, the great thing about these particular marbling inks, and these are my favourite ones that exist on the planet that I've found, and I've tested quite a few different ones. The really good thing about these is they go onto loads of different surfaces. You can decorate candles, picture frames, just lots and lots of different kind of 3D surfaces. Plastic, goes on plastics, so it's like happy days. But we're just going to be doing it on paper and card. Shall we marble? Would you like to? Let's have a look at the colours first. So as you can see, I've got quite a lot of paints. That's because I do a lot of teaching, as you know, and I always have like loads of different, like multiples of the same colour. Like a normal pink. It's like kind of a light sort of rose pink. Then we got reds. I mean, you can see how much these are being used compared to the brand new ones. Check it. Brand new, lovely packaging. Very much used. So yeah, so you got red, then there's light blue. Oh, golden yellow, that one looks good. That one looks very much true to how it is. Golden yellow, and then there's like a lemony yellow. All right, so this first one can be testing for the light and everything and make sure that it looks nice. I think I might just put one glove on as well. Yeah. Oh yeah, come on. Come on. Oh yeah. All right, let's go. See what I'm not gonna do, and that is put the lid straight back on, and then I can get it done faster, and then hopefully we can get some more twizzle action happening. Twizzle. Oh, that one's happily moving around. Bring something in the middle. Oh, it's all moving. We got like, it's all happening in your one, Nadia. Let's bring some red in there. We've got some pink action. Let's try and bring this around. Actually, okay, let's try that. It'd be nice with a bit more red there. Oh, we've got a couple of little openings there, which will just be like clear, but that'd be interesting. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, let's get that little bit out of the way. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. You've got like extra colors. Oh my god, check it. Wait, let me just... The neon. Oh my god, you got the colours mixing. Okay, let's go. Let's fly like the wind. Let's fly like the wind to be free again. Oh, professional, darling. Professional. Professional. Ooh. All right. Just forget about that little corner there. I'm going to do this side here because that looks really pretty there. All right, we ready? Oh my god. So good. Check it out. Let me just shake it off. So much satisfaction. Okay, are we ready? Let's go. Let's go. This is a really good one. All the paint stayed on the surface, which is good. I'm going to try and get rid of too much of it. I'm going to bring some of the colours into each other. Like I said, you can't work on this for too long because you can see how it's gathering, which means it's drying super quick because it's so hot in this room. Okay, that is looking gorgeous. Let us see. I almost want a bigger piece of card for this one. Hold on. Got a bigger piece of card. Let's try this one. Okay, ready? Let's go. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it's so nice. It's so nice. Oh, this is a really lovely one. Big yellow heart. It's almost just like leaves, like yellow leaves. And I'm not mad at those 3 little white dots. They look like it's part of it. Cool, right? Those two just work so well together. All right, let's see what happens with the orange. Could this be a really good one? I'm feeling really gentle. So the idea is just to bring the colours into each other, like, and just, you know, get like a good variation of everything. That's pretty nice. Maybe a little bit of that. But with these particular ones, you can't work very long. Oh, let me try and do that angling thing. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my god. For me, like with art, it is very much about the vibe. Often the things that I create, I'm always creating them with, like, not marbling, but the other things I make, especially sort of the art pieces, I'm always thinking about what is the feeling I want to create. Like, for example, the woman in the bed of roses, I wanted to look at it and feel like I was sitting in the bed of roses. Do you know what I mean? And feel really relaxed and really calm. And I've actually got it as wallpaper on my laptop, because when I look at it, I'm just like, oh. And you know, you kind of want that with your art, really, don't you? You want to be able to look at it and feel happy with it, and no matter what the subject matter is, because it could be something really dark even, but as long as you're sort of happy with it, as long as you like got to a place with it that is communicating what you want to communicate, that's a really good thing, right? So thank you so much for joining. It's so lovely to have you. If you came in with the raid, lovely to meet you. Hope you come back. Drop us a follow. We're on every single Wednesday around 6:30, 7 p.m. GMT, BST, whatever it is. And most Sundays. Not every Sunday, but most Sundays. Take care, everybody. Thanks for joining. I'll see you on Sunday. Bye.